and thanks for tuning in to LevelMaster. We thought we'd take this opportunity today to introduce you to our newest product, which is called the LevelMaster Container Lock. Let's have a look at the components that make up the container lock. First of all, on the right hand side you'll see a mounting base, that's essential. The next is a post cut to size for the height that you want the container to sit at. Thirdly, we've got our adjustable connector top. And lastly, the container lock, which is where all the clever bits of this invention are. Now, don't forget, of course, that this is screwed on with Tech screws. And here's one we've got completed. Next, we're going to show you how to install the container lock. Right, here we are at the container. Now we're going to show you how to install it. It can be installed in two ways. Either it can be installed beforehand by bolting down, or in this case what we're going to do here is install it into the container and then we're going to bolt it down afterwards. As you can see, Rob is now locating it into the container. He's then holding the lock mechanism and then securing it up against the container with our container lock. You can see that the stump is a little off the ground, and now he's securing it up onto the container. Right, we've now lowered the container down, taken it off the crane and put it onto the stumps. And the last thing we need to do now is make sure that the container is nice and level. You can see that Rob's just making some adjustments here. Obviously you'd use your levelling tool to do the job. And once you've got it level, don't forget to secure down with your 4 bolts on each post. Simple as, just needs to be repeated at the other end. Thanks for listening.